Okay guys, so this is Hampster Kombat daily sci-fi mouse code for today. So the first step you need to decrypt the code is to switch to daily sci-fi mode by clicking the daily sci-fi button. The second step you need is the international morse code, which you can download from Google. As you can see, all the letters and the numbers are represented in dots and dashes. So if you are a beginner here, or I want to remind you, if you want to enter a dot, is to tap the screen once. If you want to enter a dash, is to hold the screen. So the daily sci-fi word for today is dex, which is spelled DEX. DEX. So move to international morse code and look for D, which is dash dot dot dash dot dot. I've gotten D. Move to international morse code and look for E, which is a dot. It's a problem. Let's start over again. Okay, dash dot dash dot dot D. For E, a dot. For X, which is the final word, dash dot dot dash. So before I move to the last word, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and like this video, because every day I release a video on how to combat daily sci-fi and combo cards. Okay, so let's move on to the last word, to the last letter, which is X. Move to international morse code and look for X is dash dot dot dash dash. Okay, remember, if you make any mistake, everything will clear. So let's start over again. For D is a dash dot dot. For E is a dot. For X is dash dot dot dash. As you have seen, I've gotten my daily sci-fi morse code prize, and click on take the prize to get your own after following this procedure. And soon I'll be releasing the video on Hampster Kombat daily combo cards. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.